teachers. Opo, dun po sa lahat ng mga mall goers na sumasakay sa atin ngayon, mga teacher po sila mula sa elementary at saka sa secondary public schools po ng ating Division of San Pablo City. To tell you honestly, I have never been so prouder ngayon lamang as a teacher. Palakpakan natin sila! Alam niyo kanina, I was truly mesmerized. Kasi I saw somebody as good looking as Anjanet Abayari. That's one of the comments of one of the judges. Pero I will never say her name because I don't want to say things that would incriminate me. Okay, one of the guys. Parang Jericho Rosales dead winger. Palakpakan ulit tayo doon. At meron pa tayong Hollywood, kapangalan ng Hollywood actress, no? Okay. Okay, at this point, we will instantly announce the best in casual wear of production attire.